This is a video by Richmond. Today we're working on a Volkswagen Beetle. This happens to be a 1956 model. And what we're doing today is we are installing an LED strip light as a third brake light behind the intake louvers of the Beetle, right there. First thing we got to do is we have to find the brake wire. On the sideboard in the engine compartment, this is where the brake wire will come through, so just look for it like I've done here and tap into it. I've tapped into the brake wire, and that will give us a signal wire for the light. Now I've got two strings fed through the louvers connected to the strip. One to pull the strip light through and the other to peel it back. Now I've got that strip cut to about 31 inches. We've got to make sure we make good contact here. We got the wiring all done. This is what it looks like. I added a strobe controller in there for some added security. I don't want anybody smashing in the back of my Beetle. No. There's a lot of distracted driving out there, so I just want a little extra protection. That's it. So we're going to button this back up and see what it looks like. Well, we got it all wired in, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. Wow, I like that. You know, I've got that wired in such a way on that strobe that if I don't like it, I can easily, within a few minutes, unplug it and bypass it. But I really like it. Alright, so that's all there is to installing a third brake light on your Volkswagen Beetle.